I have a problem anytime you want to, knock my teeth out. But, I spoke to my therapist because this is really bothering me. Because I'm really sick and tired of all this, Deonna. All of it. The running away, the hide and seek, your mind games, everything. But the one thing, it was clear. I have to learn patience. Okay. Which is, I want to wait until that bell rings so I can beat you straight.
Is that what you think is going to happen? You want the bell to ring so I could beat you in another singles match? Or should the bell ring so I could beat you in another no disqualification match? You know what? No. Why don't you just do us all a favor and lay down now? Save us the trouble.
Oh my God, you're so funny. You're so funny, but that's okay. That's okay because I know you just made a lot of enemies here. More than you can believe. And next week in Collision, in the home state, my home state of Texas, my new friends and some of your acquaintances, of course, are gonna watch me break your face in a lumberjack match.
Oh, Maronna me. Not imparerà mai.
Mira, babosa.
All you do. Yak, yak,
Te
yak,
voy a
yak.